We are making smoked cowboy cookies.
So the first thing we're going to do is get started with 1.5 sticks of softened butter. Okay, so next up, we're going to take 1.5 eggs and add that. Okay, so now we're going to start mixing in 3/4 cup granulated sugar and then 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. So next we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So in this bowl I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. I also have 1/2 teaspoon of salt in here as well. And I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. Next we have a cup of sweetened coconut flakes that we're going to mix in. Okay, so now we have 1.5 cup of old-fashioned oats. And you will definitely want to use a mixer for this cookie recipe because it is a very heavy dough. All right, and then finally we are going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips. And we do have our smoker preheating to 285 degrees. Okay, and so the last thing is we're going to add 1 cup of chopped pecans. Okay, so now we're just going to scoop these out onto a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. And these are supposed to be big cookies, so I'm using my tablespoon as a scoop, and obviously using big scoops. Okay, we're out here at the smoker. It's at 285. We're going to throw these on.
All right, Amber, it looks like your rootin' and tootin' cowboy cookies are done.
Yep, we cooked these for just under 25 minutes on the smoker at 285 degrees, and they look perfect. And like we said outside, these are some cowboy-sized cookies for sure.
They are huge. They are huge. Are they, what, 1 to a plate? They're so big, just about. Yeah, they come off there real good.
Yep.
So, are we going to try a bite?
Of course we're going to try a bite.
Try a bite? Mm.
So these cookies are, yes, crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside.
I'll tell you what they are, Amber. These cookies are smacking good. Oh my gosh. That's what they are.
They really are. They're so good.
Oh,
and
man.
you can taste all the flavors that we put in there. You can taste the cinnamon. You can taste the coconut.
You can.
The pecans. All of it. And it just makes a perfect combination.
That turned out just great. I mean, from that thick cookie dough, you're just kind of shocked how good it turned out. But they did. They turned out wonderful. So now that we got the rest of these, I say we put them on a plate. If they make it to the plate, let them cool down. And I'm making my plate right now. Oh yeah. Let's see. There you go, Amber. There's my plate. I think when you sit down and have this, and Amber can have her 1 cookie, I'll have my 6 cookies because everything's better together. Smacking good, baby. You did, yes, you did. I'm not gonna lie, you did. No, not. You did a great job. Oh man. That did really good. That was smacking good too. Look at you. Pick them off good time. Start to cool down. Perfect. Oh.